Hey there, welcome to a video that covers plane geometry practice for the ACT. Plane geometry is usually a subject that high school students complete during their freshman year. Some may wind up doing it in middle school, like around 8th grade. And of course, some do it in 10th grade too. So, there's a variety of times when you take plane geometry or just learn geometry in general. But by now, hopefully, you've had the course, and of course some people may do it in the summer as well to do kind of accelerated. But it's good to review because it's been a while since you've seen some of these geometry principles. And not necessarily many geometry forms are provided, but these are, but it is okay to actually store formulas in your calculator, which I can help you with. But let's start with number one. What is the area of a circle with a diameter of 8? Hopefully you remember the formula for area of a circle. The area of a circle is pi r squared. If the diameter is 8, the radius is going to be half of that, which is 4. So it's pretty straightforward. Usually that's the nature of the ACT. It has a very straightforward nature to it. So you get 16 pi. Pretty simple. Let's look at 2. A rectangle side length of 8 and perimeter 24. So let's say this is 8 and 8. I don't know these sides right here. But since the perimeter is 24, and perimeter is supposed to be all the sides added up, then of course 16 plus 2x must equal 24. 2x equals 8, x equals 4, which makes sense that the other dimensions are 4 and 4, so this way you do get 24 as your perimeter. But now they're asking for the area. Area is length times width. So of course 8 times 4 is 32. And that's the answer for our problem for that one. Again, these are all on the first page of this packet. Number 3 is that's for the perimeter triangle ABC, so the whole thing. AB is 12. And it's isosceles, that's very important, meaning that these sides are the same, making these angles are the same. And because this side is shared, and we have right angles here, CD is definitely going to bisect. So this is a good concept review. It's going to bisect AB. Therefore, AD equals DB. Since AB is 12, then I anticipate that AD and DB are each 6. Now, area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. 48 equals 1/2 times 12 times your height, because I'm letting AB be my base. So 6h equals 48, the height is 8. Now why did I do that? Because in order to get perimeter I need to know what all the sides are, so I'm still missing sides AC and BC, which I know are the same. But now I know the height, which is DC, is 8, and let's switch up colors, get a bit of contrast here. And if I focus on triangle CDB, so CDB, I know the dimensions are 6 and 8 for the legs. Using Pythagorean theorem, or realizing this is a Pythagorean triple, 6, 8, 10, that's because 6 squared plus 8 squared is going to equal 10 squared, right? Remember, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, Pythagorean theorem. So I know these are 10 and 10. My perimeter is going to be 32 when I add up all the sides. So that was kind of an involved problem. There's a lot happening there. So just to recap, CD bisected AB, making AD and DB the same. And the reason why it bisects because we have an isosceles triangle and we have an altitude, so that's a concept you need to remember. Since you're told AB is 12, then AD and DB individually are each 6. Area of triangle knows 48. You know your base is 12, solve for the height. Once you have that, then you can get what's BC or ACR, because that's they represent the hypotenuse of a right triangle using Pythagorean theorem. Then you can get your perimeter. Lastly, for number 4, the rectangular backyard for a house measures the following dimensions: 130 by 70. So you have 70 and 130. They want to know if the backyard is completely fenced in. What is the length in feet of the fence? So really all they're asking for is just the perimeter. Personally, I think this is kind of a poor design problem because I don't think anyone puts fence on 4 sides of a backyard, because how are you going to get to the backyard? Usually you'd have a house that borders it, but whatever. We're just going to roll with this problem here. So it's just 130 plus 70 plus 130 plus 70, and you, of course, you get 400 for that one. So that completes plane geometry video. There'll probably be fewer problems I'll ask you to try on your own, and then whatever I don't ask you to do, we'll do when we meet together. Okay, that's all.